Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce ZW3D. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Sam Lee, the application engineer in ZW Overseas Technical Team. It is my great honor to be here to demonstrate ZW3D. The whole introduction will take around 15 minutes. It consists of 4 parts: ZW3D Overview, Target Markets, Main Functions, and Summary. First, let's take an overview to tell you what is ZW3D. ZW3D is a 3-dimensional CAD software, and it is an all-in-one and cost-effective CAD/CAM solution. It helps engineers design from concept to product in an easy-to-use environment. There are many highlight features in it, including hybrid modeling, direct edit technology, productive mold design, and high-efficiency manufacturing. I will introduce more details about them later in the software. What is all-in-one solution? As you can see on this page, all of this can be implemented in our software. You can do the product design here. After that, you can assemble them with our assembly module, and we have a lot of tools to check if your product design is reasonable. Because it is all-in-one solution, it can be related to the mold design as well as electrical design, 2D drawing, and the CAM. With all-in-one CAD/CAM solution, users will spend less time in studying and less money in software procurement, and more importantly, it will help users significantly reduce the risk of data loss. Next, I will introduce our markets for you. You may be curious about the application industry of ZW3D. As can be seen on this slide, our software is widely used in different markets. And here is our competitive markets, including consumer products such as appliances and cell phone. ZW3D can support the solid and surface modeling for this kind of products. Also, ZW3D supports importing and exporting CAD file. Therefore, it is suitable in automotive industry, especially for the department which need to interwork with the R&D department. ZW3D is a cost-effective choice to them. With parametric design and a rich standard part library, ZW3D is also appropriate for mechanical design. Besides, ZW3D supports sheet metal design, mold design, which supports the whole designing process of mold, including product verification tools, parting design tools, detail design tools, and also standard part library. We also have the stable and safe CAM module in an all-in-one platform, which can satisfy different needs from different applications, with logical user interface, which help users easy to start. In the third part, I will introduce the highlight features in ZW3D. First, it is our powerful data exchange system. We can directly read the 3D model from other mainstream CAD software. As can be seen on this table, ZW3D can read NX, Creo, SolidWorks, and other formats, especially CATIA. Also, reading the 2D drawing of CATIA and SolidWorks is our highlight. And we can also transfer many kinds of standard formats, such as IGS, DWG, Parasolid, STEP, STL, etc. On the other hand, we can directly save models as CATIA files. And more importantly, we can export the model to 3D PDF as well. All of these highlights can help users seamlessly interwork with others in different industries. Let's continue. In this section, I will move to the software to show you the basic workflow and the highlight of ZW3D. The first part is introduce the solid modeling and assembly module of ZW3D with the 2D drawing. This is the user interface of ZW3D. As you can see, ZW3D has different modules for dedicated using, and it supports various formats. Let me take a camera model as an example to show you the basic workflow in ZW3D. Abundant sketch tools are provided in Sketch module. Therefore, customers can easily create their desired sketch. Let's move back to the modeling level and show you how to extrude the sketch, and then add the fillet by using the modeling tools, as well as divide the part by using the datum plane. Then, we extract one of the shapes and create the shell for it. After that, we use the predefined external sketch to remove the unwanted shape. Okay, here is the finished camera housing model. The next step is finish the remaining assembly work by ZW3D assembly module. Let's mount the lens to the camera housing, add the constraints, and then check the constraint status. We find there's one underdefined constraint. We can redefine the constraint, and now the whole assembly is well defined. Besides, ZW3D has built-in standard part library and third-party libraries such as Part Solutions. Customers can also create their own standard part in the library. We can also create different configurations for the product models as well as the conditional suppress. ZW3D also provides exploded view as well as animations for engineers to visually verify the assembly structures and process. When finishing the design, customers usually need to add the dimensions and annotations for manufacturing. Using the PMI, they can directly add them on the 3D entities, and it can be inherited by 2D join. I introduced the solid modeling and the 2D sketch just now. Let's see the surface modeling in ZW3D and the highlight features, solid surface hybrid modeling and direct edit module. As can be seen in the freeform ribbon tab, ZW3D has powerful and plentiful surface modeling tools. Let me take this rear view as an example. We can create the surface of it by using drive curve loft functions in just a few seconds. Moreover, ZW3D supports solid surface hybrid modeling, which can make the transformation between solid and surface easily and conveniently. The most attractive part is that all the commands in ZW3D can both recognize solid and surface, and we can use the solid to trim the surface in ZW3D. The next part I will introduce is the direct edit. As I mentioned earlier, ZW3D has a powerful data exchange system and translator. Customer can modify any imported geometry without history. Here is an example. This tile was created by another CAD software. In ZW3D, we can easily import and use direct edit module to make some simple modifications on it. There are varieties of modification tools which are simple and easy to use. Solid and surface modeling are the common modeling module. We also have some modules for specific industry. For example, the sheet metal design. There are various tools in sheet metal module. Customers can create all kinds of flange and bends easily. After that, the complicated forming shape like dimple and nouveau can be generated by forming tools. The most exciting functions is the Smart Convert and Unfold. You can convert ZW3D models or imported CAD models to sheet metal parts and generate flat pattern quickly. After that, customer can analyze the product manufacturing process with our advanced module, ZW3D Fast Blank. ZW3D is a versatile 3D CAD platform. Besides sheet metal design, customer can work with the STL, point cloud, and scan data by building reverse engineering, which accomplish more work in one system without data transfer. In weldment design, we provide various structural design tools as well as structure bomb for designer. ZW3D also covers the mold design industry. It covers the completed process of mold design from verification tools to parting design and standard part library. It can also help customers to achieve auto molding drafting. It is easy and efficient to do the mold design. Let's move to ZW3D to check how does ZW3D mold working. This is the mold module of ZW3D. As you can see from the ribbon menu, ZW3D has tools for whole mold design process. It can analyze the product with our verification tools including draft angle, thickness check, and undercut analysis. And it also provides powerful parting design. Customer can create the parting surface automatically and split the core and cavity with only one click. After finishing parting design, customer can do the detail design and insert the mold base with our rich standard part library. All the mold design process in ZW3D is simple and fast. Now, let's take this scan pad as an example to show you the simplicity and efficiency of ZW3D mold module. As you can see, it is quite easy and fast in ZW3D mold design. After we finish the mold design, the ZW3D also provides a full electrical design solutions from electrical module. The previous content is about CAD. Let us introduce the CAM now. We have a lot of efficient tactics. It can recognize the features automatically and generate a toolpath, and the powerful milling can help you to do the roughing productively. For finishing, there are rich finishing strategies for usage. After creating the toolpath, we offer several ways for you to make sure the manufacturing is safe, including quick verify, solid verify, and full machine simulation. Finally, we can work with the machine seamlessly. We have several modules to satisfy turning lathe, milling machine, and mill turn machine. What's more, in order to meet users' requests, we will help them to customize the post. This is the CAM module of ZW3D. It is powerful and provides the drilling, 2 to 5 axis milling, and the turning module. This is an example of 2-axis milling. It is easy to create a logical toolpath with the selected profile. The process in ZW3D is clearly and logically, and the result is quite stable. Whole tactic is also efficient and easy to use. And more importantly, as I mentioned earlier, ZW3D is an all-in-one solution. Therefore, when we did some modifications in CAD module, the CAM module can automatically update the toolpath. After creating the toolpath, we offer solid verify for customer to make sure the manufacturing is safe and provide different mainstream standards of post configurations in machine library, such as file length. We also have the professional technical team to configure the post to help customers output the proper NC code. As for turning and the 3 to 5 axis milling, ZW3D also provides rich strategies and visualize solid verify function. This is the 3-axis milling. It provides abundant machining strategies such as roughing, rest roughing, finishing, and other commonly used operations. It is worth mentioning that ZW3D 5-axis milling offers full machine simulations, which is useful to make the simulation more intuitive. Finally, let's review what we talked about just now. Firstly, ZW3D is an all-in-one solution, includes CAD, CAM, and mold, so we can cover many target markets about them. Then, it is the translator. You can read the mainstream 3D model and can read and write over 10 standard files. Also, ZW3D has the full field functions of modeling, assembly, 2D drawing, etc. For specific industry, we have the dedicated modules such as sheet metal, weldment, and reverse engineering. As for mold and electrical design, we have many verification tools and flexible splitting method. The mold base and standard part library can satisfy different requirements. As for mold and electrical design, we have many verification tools and flexible splitting method. The mold base and standard part library can satisfy different requirements. Finally, in CNC machining, we have flexible and rich strategies to support 2 to 5 axis milling. Our easy, logical, and stable CNC machining will help you to get the machining customer easily. This is the brief introductions about ZW3D. As you can see from the PowerPoint and software, it is very easy to use and powerful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by email. Thank you for your watching. We are looking forward to cooperating with you.